Hi guys, welcome to another video. In the last video we discussed about chat options and what all things you can do with chat. In this video we are going to specifically look at creating a teams and how we can manage teams. Okay, so you can see by default the organization that you created, a team is created for the same. If you click on this, you can see manage teams option, add channel, get link to the team, and manage tags. All these options are available. What is a channel? Basically, if you want to discuss about a specific topic, you can create multiple channels inside the team. Okay, so what exactly is a team? A team is a group of people who work on something, right, in your organization. Or it might not be work, it can be some group of friends who come together and collaborate on different projects. All those things can be done with this teams. So if you want to create a team, what you can do, you can click on join or create a team over here. Okay, so this is the first option that you can see. You have two options available over here. Either you can create a new team or you can join a team with a code. So I'll show you where you can find this code and join a specific team which is already there. So if I click on create a team, okay, so you have two options available over here. You build a team from scratch. If you build a team from scratch, a new Office 365 group will also be created for you. So teams and Office 365 groups are integrated with each other. Okay, so because of that integration, as soon as you create a team, a Office 365 group will be created for you. Or what you can do, you can create a team from an existing Office 365 group. So a new Office 365 group will not be created, and it is going to use the already existing Office 365 group. Okay, so you will click on build a team from scratch. You can have a private or public team. So I'll go for a private team as of now. I'll give my team a name, MS, or let's call it marketing. You can give a brief description. This is a marketing team. I'm not going to add it over here. You can add details over here, and then you're going to click on create. So this name has to be unique throughout your organization. Okay, nice work. Our team is created. As soon as you create a team, a general channel is created for you by default. Okay, so if I click on over here and add channel, I can add multiple channels inside this. For example, London marketing. So all the people in London can have this separate channel and they can discuss everything over here. So it can be standard, accessible to everyone on the team. All the people will be able to see this channel as well. Or you can keep it private, accessible only to a specific group of people within the team. So you can define the people inside this channel. Okay, so let's keep it for specific people. You can provide a brief description above over here. You'll click on next. You have to add some people over here. I'll add user 1 over here. User, I'll just skip this. I can add it later as well. So this is, you can see a lock icon over here. So this is a private channel available to you. This is a public channel. Let's create another channel which is a public channel. For example, India marketing. Okay, standard, accessible to everyone on the team. Automatically show this channel everyone's channel list. I'll add it over here. I won't be adding anyone as of now. I'll skip this. I can add it later as well. Okay, all of this is done now. Okay, let me show you some of the options. So if you go to teams, you can manage your team. So you can have multiple owners or members that can be added over here. I can add another member, for example, user 2, user 2. I click on add. So now this user can be a member or this user can also be an owner. That will be decided by us over here. If he is an owner, he should be able to do anything. And if he or she is a member, they won't be able to do any, basically they won't be able to manage the teams. Okay, I'll keep them as member as of now. You can see one member is there, members and guest. If you invite someone outside your organization, they will be a guest user over here. Pending request. So basically if anyone tries to join your team by clicking over here, okay, by entering the code of your team, then you will see all those options available over here. Pending, in the pending request. Channels, you can see different channels which are available. You can add a channel over here as well. Show me for members, so all members can be able to see all of these details, and this is only available to specific people. Okay, so this is a private channel that we created. You can see standard channel, and this is a private channel. Besides this, you can have multiple options for channels. I'll be discussing those later, so let's first complete this one. So you have a team picture that you can add a new team picture over here. You can see the members permission, so if they can enable channel creation, adding apps and more, all those options, if they are able to do or not. Okay guys, so you can have different member permission available over here. Let's change a picture as well. Let's upload a new picture. Let's find a picture. Let's upload this picture. Okay, this one will do. We'll save this, and this picture will be updated for us. Okay, you can see the member permission, enable channel creation, addition and more. So you have these options. Allow members to create and update channel. So if the members can create a channels or not. Allow members to create private channels. Allow members to delete and restore channels. If I uncheck this, the members will not be able to do all of these things. Okay, so this is where you can define granular permission for your channels. Okay, allow members to add and remove apps. Allow members to add custom apps. Allow members to create, update and remove tabs. Allow members to create, update and remove connectors. Give members the option to delete the messages. Give members the option to edit their messages. So all these options are available. You can check them out. Guest permissions, allow guests to create and update channel, allow guests to delete channel. So this is by default disabled. All the options that we are seeing are by default because we haven't modified them. Mentions, so @mention basically means you can mention entire team or entire channel or a specific person. So basically if you type and then the name of the person, team or channel, they will get a notification that their name has been mentioned in this team. Okay, choose who can use @team, @channel mentions. Show members the option @team or @team name. This will send a notification to everyone on the team. So if you do this, a notification will be sent to all the people in the team. Give members the option to @channel or @channel. This will notify everyone who's shown the mentioned channel in their channel list. So basically this means that if you want to mention someone, you can use this @sign. If you disable this, the members of the team will not be able to do it. Team code. So this is where we saw over here, right? Join or create a team. So this is where you get the team code. So if you want some person to join your team, you can basically send this code across to them and then ask them to add this in their own team or channel, and they will be directly taken to this team, and then you can approve their request in the pending request option. Okay, you can remove it, you can copy it, you can reset it. Okay, so if this code was compromised, you can reset the code and you can get a new code over here. Okay, so this is the new code that you get. Fun stuff. So if you want to allow Giphy or stickers and memes or not, so Giphy by default has a moderate setting. So basically it filters out inappropriate content moderately, but if you want to have a strict policy, basically it won't allow any inappropriate content such as pornographic content or any inappropriate content for your business. You can change it to strict, so it will only allow proper GIFs that are available to the users. Okay, stickers and memes, if you want, you can disable these options entirely as well. So you can disable both of these options and users won't be able to see these options in their channel or teams. Okay, tags, who can add tags, owners only or members can also add tags. So these are different options that you have. Analytics will show how many users are there, what was the engagement, how many files, how many MB of file were shared. So it will show you all the analytics about the team. Okay, this is a fairly new team, so we are not seeing too many options available over here, but if you wait for a while and you see all of these channels, you can also filter by channel and teams as well. Okay, you can see all channels, that means the entire team, or you can filter out basically on a specific channel as well. You can set the time duration where you want to see this analytics. Okay, all these options are available. Let me go to manage teams again. Analytics, we have seen this. Apps, you can see what all apps are available. These are some first party apps that are automatically added for you. You can find more apps by clicking on this button and you will be taken to this icon. Okay, you can have multiple first party and third party apps available over here. Going back to Teams, you can add a channel. We have already seen this. You can add members. So if you want to find someone, for example, I'll find user 1 and I'm going to add this user as a member. I can also add user 2. This will be another member. I can make them owner as well. And just one of the members already existed. That is why we are seeing that option. Besides this, you can see leave the team. You can directly leave the team. You can edit the team. You can change the name of the team. You can make it from private to public. Okay. Get link to the team. So basically you can get an entire link for this team to basically go to this team directly. You can manage tags as well. So you can create multiple tags. You can notify a group of people all at once by @mention tags. Okay. So you can create different tags. For example, India marketing. Okay. You can add multiple people in these tags. For example, user 1, user 2. Okay. Create. So you have India marketing available over here. You can basically mention these tags. India marketing. All the people that we added in those tags will be notified. Hi team. So all the users who are in this channel will be notified. Okay. On this tag will be notified on the same. You can see the tag option available over here. You can see multiple options available. So you can save this message. If you save this message, this will be available over here. Okay. So any important message that you save are available over here. Going back to our team. You can delete this team as well. All these options are available to you. The option that you see on the chat, we have already had a discussion on them, so I won't be repeating these. One more thing that I want to add is, if you want to, for example, have a impromptu meeting. Okay. Impromptu meeting with anyone, you can directly start a meeting by clicking on this meet now button, and all the people in your team will have all these options, basically will be allowed to join to this meeting. Okay. So you can create this meeting. You can also start a recording for this meeting. Okay. So as soon as you start the recording for this meeting, this recording is always saved in Microsoft Streams. Okay. So you can raise your hand. You can see all other options in team meetings. I am actually going to discuss it in later video. So let's leave it at that. So you can start an impromptu meeting, or you can have a scheduled meeting. We'll be discussing it in a later video. So I think this is enough for the Microsoft team overview. I'll discuss channels and all other things in the next video. See you in